Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyoto-kan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'm going to make teriyaki salmon. I'm sure juicy and rich taste of teriyaki salmon goes great with the sticky rice. So this time I'm going to arrange on a lunchbox. Moreover, these side dishes which I've already introduced make my lunchbox very beautiful and gorgeous. I hope you enjoy this video and teriyaki salmon. Yes, let's go! These are 3 salmon fillets. In Japan, the salmon is usually sold raw or salted. I'm going to get rid of the pin bone. I place them facing the head side right, because the pin bone is towards the bottom left. So we can remove it easily and comfortably if we place them like this. I put it towards the upper right. Okay. This is salt. I'm going to dehydrate salmon. I sprinkle the salt to the tray overall and place the salmon fillets on the salt. Then I sprinkle the salt to the salmon fillets as well. It's very important to sprinkle the salt all over the salmon. Okay, I let it stand for 15 minutes at room temperature. 15 minutes later, I get rid of the excess water. I pick up the salmon and wipe out the excess water with kitchen paper. It helps us to grill the skin side nice brown and crispy. Last one, I wipe it gently, not too hot. Good. I'm ready to grill them. Next, I'm going to prepare garnishes for teriyaki salmon. First, I cut the stem off, and I'm going to cut it into half. Grilled shiitake mushrooms are very juicy and nice flavor, and go well with the salmon so much. I think mushrooms go great with salmon. Okay, I've done cutting. And I'm going to use Japanese leek as a garnish too. First of all, I'm going to make a finely cut to half point. It helps to cook a Japanese leek quickly and bring out the nice sweet flavor. Once I've made a cut it, I turn over it. Then I cut it at 3 cm intervals. Okay, the garnishes are ready to cook. And then I'm going to make a teriyaki sauce. I add 30 grams sake, 20 grams mirin, 30 grams soy sauce, and 5 grams vinegar. At last, 5 grams sugar. I'll add them after that. Yes, okay? I'm going to grill salmon fillets and garnishes. I add the oil to the pan. And I turn on the heat and spread the oil. And then I place salmon fillets facing skin side down. I place them quickly and add garnishes as well. Good, okay. I grill them over medium heat. I put pressure on the salmon with a spatula to grill the skin side evenly and crispy. If you do not do this, the salmon will shrink, and it will be difficult to grill the skin side crispy. I recommend to do this for 3 to 4 minutes. I grilled them for about 4 minutes. I'm going to turn over the shiitake mushrooms and Japanese leek. They are nice brown and the smell is amazing. I'm going to check whether the salmon is well browned or not. Oh, not yet. I grill them for a moment. Please look, the salmon fillets are cooked about 70%, and the color of the side has turned to be white. Okay, I turn over them. This is amazing. The skin is nice brown and crispy. I grill them for a moment. A few minutes later, once the salmon is almost cooked, I remove them from the pan. Okay, and then I grill the garnishes a few minutes more. The garnishes are well browned, and the fragrance is so good. When the Japanese leek becomes tender, I get rid of them as well. Then I add the liquid sauce ingredients and sugar. I simmer the sauce down and reduce the sauce to half. When the sauce has become thick and rich, I return the salmon to the pan. And return the garnishes as well. Finally, I pour the sauce over the salmon. Nice browned salmon is coated with tasty sauce easily. I put the sauce over and over again, and this teriyaki sauce goes well with shiitake mushrooms and Japanese leek too. Okay. The sauce has become thick and rich. The looks is so beautiful and delicious. Okay, I turn off the heat. Yes, teriyaki salmon is done. I'm going to arrange them on the lunchbox. I prepared some side dishes, which I introduced in my videos except for boiled egg. And I've already arranged the sticky rice on the lunchbox. First, I place shiso between the sticky rice and side dishes. And I place shiitake mushrooms in the back. Then I put the Japanese leek next to shiitake mushrooms. Okay. And then I place a half-boiled egg. And I place komatsune and aburage no itame bitashi. I place a sheet of kitchen paper below ohitashi. It's very important to get rid of the excess water from ohitashi. Then I place tomato no ohitashi in front. Red color makes the lunchbox very beautiful and gorgeous. And I place teriyaki salmon on the rice. And kombu no tsukudani on the rice too. Finally, I sprinkle sesame to the teriyaki salmon. Great! Teriyaki salmon lunchbox is done. Thank you! Did you enjoy? Today I made a teriyaki salmon and arranged on the lunchbox. This time I used shiitake mushrooms and the Japanese leek as garnishes. But you can use other mushrooms and onions instead of them. I hope you enjoy teriyaki salmon with your favorite garnishes. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.